Looking through my parents' old closet, I found this in there. Dad said he hasn't used it since the late 60s. And that's the case, owner's manual, and a flash attachment. There's the inside of the case. It's incredible how good a shape this all is in after sitting in the closet 45 years. Here's one more shot of the camera. So, anybody knows what this thing's worth, holler back at me. Oh, this is the bottom of the camera, the case. It's even got the card, warranty card, I guess. Mail back to Polaroid. Let's see what this is. Save this card. So maybe to a collector or somebody, this might be worth something. Pretty cool.